So I had to do a part 2 because it was 10 something. So yeah.
You guys.
I'm sorry, I forgot to say like bye. I'm gonna do part 2 and stuff.
I'm not really one for the spotlight, but there is some gravy to be had. You know, I always seem to get primo parking.
Havoc that was going on, but then I decided to stay in because I really want to see the mystery prizes. But honestly, if they keep going at this rate, I'm getting out because. Oh, she's on your camera. Watch out! Look what they did to my idol. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent to this. What is this? What did you do to my idol? This is a bunch of shit. Boss, you picked up my pieces and threw it on the ground. Ah! Ah! Shaman, clean up. Everyone, do your shit.
Shaman's really good.
I'm so scared that another squash or one of those will hit me again, so... I'm so low. These are bonus points. He makes them over.
I caught it on camera.
You guys.
That was so cool.
Like of all the sugar that they eat. I think we
Yeah.
Guys, I don't want my sibling to take you, but I'm gonna use the restroom.
Okay, you guys, so it looks like everybody's still in. Ranger's taking a nap.
I'm gonna go back.
Sue's on her phone?
I'm gonna go back.
A pillow? Phone? Wait, have you been having your phone this entire time? I think that's an automatic. Automatic. Out. Was it in your aisle?
Technically, if I got rid of it, I'd be out of the challenge because it was in
Sorry, that was my brother and my sister.
No. No. How much drinks have you had? I see a lot of drinks. Diesel, what is going on here?
I'm not surviving. I'm driving.
Okay. Driving, needs to use the restroom, making TikToks, and asleep. How's it going? Oh my goodness. You have really ate a lot of stuff. We're just ready to get out, you guys. You guys want to take a look at this? Look at this. It's in the air. No, it's in the air. No?
Watch how I'm gonna go out of the aisle. Ready?
You can't. If you leave your aisle, you lose. I have an idea.
Let's push the aisle. Let's go.
No. Okay, you guys. I'm going to make this a little more interesting. So here's a sweet deal. No one wants to get out, but I heard someone is hungry. Another person here needs to use the restroom. So I felt like this might be tempting. Whoever gets out right now gets whatever is inside this box.
Without hesitation.
Wait! I didn't say what's inside. What is
She didn't care. She was like, nah, I'll take it.
Okay, do you want to open it and see what's inside? Okay, open it. Here. Okay. Okay, ready?
Excuse me.
Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. $100. You guys. Do you guys want to see me eat a hot pepper. The world's hottest pepper. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Stop, come eat, stop. I'm finishing a huge bite.